Hey, I'm not a businessman. I'm an actor. This is not my life. This is a film. Life is different. Being a businessman is different. Courage, risk, challenges. No, let's say it like it is. They're problems. No one likes problems, believe me. Not even business people. But start a company and you'll be surrounded by them. You'll attract them. You'll solve one problem only for an even bigger one to arise. And you keep going. You push on, through thick and thin. You'll hit rock bottom. And then for a brief moment, you're happy. You're proud. Because you see what you've achieved. How you've grown, how much stronger you've become. And your company with you. That gives you the strength to carry on. That's being a businessman. Your life. Nothing more, nothing less.